it's me, Pickles, and we're back for Fantastic Four unboxing of the action figures. And we just unboxed Mr. Fantastic and Invisible Woman, but now we're going to be unboxing The Thing and Human Torch, and then we're going to do Silver Surfer last. So I'm going to save the best for last. I'm going to do Johnny Storm, which is actually, that's a spoiler, sisters, they're brother and sister, because it's Sue Storm and Johnny Storm. And he's the Human Torch. I didn't buy him in his Human Torch thing because I couldn't get it, but I will soon, and I'll rate that as like a part 3 video, but it'll just be him, so it'll kind of be just like a opening for this one. All the boxes are the same, so I like them all. I really like the paper that they use. This paper, it's really nice. Okay, let's bring him out. So what I think is pretty cool is he comes with like fire right here. There's tape again. I get they're trying to like keep the like hand in, but like it's so loud. Okay, they're trying to put the hands in, but like the tape is very annoying. I'm just trying to get out the hands. There we go. Okay, let's take that out. So I've just tried to match up the fist to everyone. So this is their fist. Did I take her fist? Her fist is right here. Where's her other fist? I lost one of her fists. I lost Invisible Woman's fist. Oh wait, that's one of her fists. Where's the other one? I'm so confused. I have like a whole mess over here. What? Did I lose one of her fists? There's no way I did. So I have one of her fists here. I have Johnny Storm's fist, but where's her fist? Is this it? Oh no. So he comes, I'll look after. So he comes with these fists, they all do. And he comes with like this fire. Confused, how do you like put it on your hand? Oh, I think you put like on the fist and then you like put it in your hand like this. But I think that looks pretty cool. His power, I'm going to give a 9 out of 10. I really like the fire. I mean, it's like, yeah, I like it. His power's pretty cool. He looks exactly like the movie, so 9 out of 10 for identical. The box, all the same, so you know. But I really like him. I think he looks pretty cool, and don't they look similar? Yeah, but yeah, so we're moving on to my favorite, The Thing, Ben Grimm. Oh my gosh, sorry, I can't speak. If you guys haven't seen this movie yet, it's pretty good. I really like it. Mr. Big loved it too. Mr. Big has all the same action figures as me, except he has the Torch one and I don't. But remember, I'm going to be possibly getting that one soon. Well, like the Torch one lit up. And yeah, so they all have the same discs. Woo! He reminds me of like Hulk, you know? So of course, his hands are ginormous. At least I can tell him apart from everyone else. Of course, they're literally ginormous. I really like him because he reminds me of Hulk, and Hulk is one of my like favorite superheroes. Hulk is. He's really cool. Oh my gosh, this guy is super cool. So he doesn't have a shirt on, but he has his like feet out and everything. He doesn't have any shoes on, which is, I don't really care. But he has the pants. I really like the pants, how they have like Fantastic Four on the side and no one else's. You notice that? No one else's has Fantastic Four or like 4 on the side. His arms are really cool. They can move like this. They can bend to make him go like this, raw, like him flexing his muscles. His head can move. His head's pretty cool. It isn't the one, spoiling alert, it isn't, well, not really. This video's not going to be much of a spoiler, but I'm still going to put that in the description because like I'm kind of telling you like all their superpowers and stuff. He's not the one with the beard like towards like the end of the movie when he had the beard. But, yeah, I really like him. His hands are really cool. They're like, one's like this and then the other one's like, I really like him. I'm going to give 10 out of 10 for his power. He's the first 10 out of 10 I've done his power for, because he's like Hulk. His character looks exactly like it. I'm going to give that a 10 out of 10. And I really like his pants. And the box is pretty cool too, so 9 out of 10. But I like his whole outfit. It has like the bracelet like everyone else does. So yeah, 10 out of 10 for him. I really like him. We're on to the last one, Silver Surfer. So I've seen comments on videos that people don't like Silver Surfer because there's a Fantastic Four that came out in 2005, I believe, and people didn't like her because the Silver Surfer in that movie was a dude. To be honest, I don't really care. I never saw that Fantastic Four, but I wouldn't say that the movie, people are saying that the movie's terrible just because they changed Silver Surfer, but to be honest, I think it's pretty cool. I don't care that they changed it, but I wouldn't think that the movie is ruined because they just changed one person. you realize it's not the same cast as the first movie. But I don't really care that it's a girl or a boy, but I just don't think it ruined the movie, even though I didn't see it. I've seen like a little parts of the old Fantastic Four, but I don't really think it ruined the movie. I like it. I think she looks pretty cool. So that's my opinion. If you guys think that, but in my opinion, I don't think one little different change is going to make the movie bad. Yes, change is hard, but I don't think that's gonna make the movie bad, in my opinion. And for a lot of people, it didn't make the movie bad for. So, but it still comes with the same background as all the other ones, which is pretty nice. She doesn't really have like she has a power, but it's like different from everyone else. Oh, her surfboard and the fire in the back. Okay, that's really cool. That's why I really like her, because she came with like more stuff than everyone else. Okay, so if you don't know, this is actually spoiling like kind of in the movie. If you don't know who Silver Surfer is, so she was like a girl who left her family to work for Galactus, and now she's kind of like a bad guy, but towards the end of the movie, she becomes like good. So yes, that's a spoiler. I like how her hands can move. That's pretty cool. They're like tiny hands. She is so tiny compared to some of the other people. Look at that. But I like her. She's pretty cool. Her like hands can move. Her body can move. She can do the splits. She comes with different hands. She comes with that. So she's going like this. Then she comes with like this. And then she comes with full hands out. My favorite part is probably the surfboard. It has like rust on it and everything. And her feet can go on it. Only one peg is here. So only one part of her like feet can go on it. But like look at this. Surf's up, dude. And I don't know where this is supposed to go. I think it's just like she's shooting fire. Oh yeah, because like she can make like that like explosion thing. But I think she's pretty cool. Overall, these action figures are amazing. You guys should get it. And yeah, like and subscribe and watch Fantastic Four. Goodbye.